Você está no ponto de colisão real. Veja agora acidentes impressionantes que mostram como tudo pode mudar em segundos.
Passing everybody. Christ. Wow. Holy fuck, dude.
I wasn't even gonna go back in for a second there.
Oh my god.
That's idiotic.
Fucking moron. Oh my god. Dumbass. What? Oh. What are you doing?
Surveillance video captured two innocent drivers being rammed by a car believed to be involved in a street race. This happened in the Sacramento Valley on Monday. Police say a black Mustang and Corvette came speeding down an off-ramp when the driver of the Mustang lost control, slamming into two vehicles sitting at a light. One of the victims was
Você assistiu ao ponto de colisão real. Curta, compartilhe e inscreva-se para mais vídeos como este.